One person bought $27 worth of Bitcoin in 2010 and forgot about it. 14 years later, that tiny investment was worth over $300 million. But here's the catch. The same market that creates millionaires can wipe your account in a single day. So what is cryptocurrency? At its core, crypto is digital money built on a technology called blockchain, a secure public ledger that records every transaction across thousands of computers worldwide. Unlike traditional money, it's not controlled by banks or governments. No one can freeze your account, but no one can bail you out either. The most well-known? Bitcoin, the first launched in 2009. Then came Ethereum, which doesn't just move money. It runs apps, games, and even digital art. You've probably heard stories. Someone turned $1,000 into $100,000 or lost everything overnight. Why? Because the crypto market is wildly volatile. And here's why. First, it's driven by emotion. When prices go up, people FOMO in, fear of missing out. When they crash, panic selling takes over. Second, it's still new. With no central authority, prices swing based on news, rumors, and social media hype. A single tweet can move billions in value. Third, most investors are speculators. They're not buying crypto to use, they're betting on price. That creates bubbles and brutal crashes. So how do you survive and even profit in this roller coaster? Follow these 4 rules. Rule number 1, only invest what you can afford to lose. If losing the money would ruin your life, it doesn't belong in crypto. Start small, learn the game before going all in. Rule number 2, do your own research, DYOR. Don't trust influencers, TikTok gurus, or guaranteed pumps. Ask, who's behind the project? Does it solve a real problem, or is it just hype? Rule number 3, diversify like a pro. Don't put everything into one coin. A smart beginner's portfolio, 60% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, and 10% in strong altcoins like Solana or Cardano. Rule number 4, use dollar cost averaging. Instead of buying $1,000 all at once, invest $100 every month. This smooths out the ups and downs, so you never buy at the top. Cryptocurrency isn't magic. It's not a guaranteed path to riches, but it is one of the most revolutionary financial technologies in decades. If you stay informed, stay calm, and play the long game, you could be part of the next financial revolution. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll break down the next big trends, from AI tokens to the future of decentralized finance. No hype, no scams, just clear, simple crypto knowledge.